Hi there, Scott here from GBC Tech Training. I'd like to invite you to attend our upcoming Electric Vehicle Technician Program webinar. We recently launched this online training program and are very excited to get into the details about it and the new opportunities it presents with you. In the webinar, we'll talk about the growing electric vehicle marketplace, the job opportunities this marketplace presents, the knowledge and the skills you'll need to get into these jobs, the opportunity for auto technicians to upskill for EVs, and the opportunity for electricians to expand into the charging station market. After a brief presentation about the program, we'll move into an open Q&A to address as many of your questions as possible. So, does becoming an EV technician sound like it might be the right opportunity for you? If so, please join us on Zoom live at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 20th for a free webinar to learn about the emerging opportunities for EV technicians and how our program can help prepare you for work in this field. We hope to see you then.